Here we can see water inside the taillight, and this happens when the vehicle ages and the seal fails. In my case here, you can see water settles at the bottom, which suggests that the seal failed at the top. To fix this problem, I can either purchase a new taillight assembly on Amazon for about $76 plus taxes, or repair this leaky taillight assembly with the use of some epoxy. In this video, I will repair the leak, and the process will be similar for repairing leaks in headlights. Let me remove this taillight assembly, and the process will be different in other make and model vehicles. The taillight assembly is held in place by 3 nuts. 2 at the side here, and the third is under this panel here, which will need to be removed. I will unscrew these 2 nuts all the way out. Because of the tight working space here, I won't remove the nuts completely. I will let them sit here until it's time to reinstall the taillight assembly. Now let me remove this panel to get access to the 3rd nut. The panels are now off, and I will now use this 10mm socket with extension to remove the 10mm nut. The 3rd nut is now out, and I can now remove the bulbs, then remove the taillight assembly. The taillight assembly is off, and you can see the water here. I will need to seal the top right here. I will try and shake out as much of the water as possible, then use this blow dryer to blow out the remaining water. I will then tape the edges to avoid making a mess with the epoxy. I'm just going to place the blow dryer at one of the openings, and the water vapor will exit the other opening. This may take a little while to completely dry, so I will have to be patient. It is now completely dry, and I can repair the leak. I will now apply tape along the edge to avoid making a mess. I will now take my time to apply the epoxy at the joint right along the edges. I will mix some more to continue until all the edges are sealed. I'm using this napkin to wipe away excess run and leave to dry to touch. Now it's dry to touch, and I can now remove the tape. If I leave the epoxy to completely dry, the tape will be difficult to remove. Now I can leave this to dry for about another hour, then reinstall on the vehicle. I am now reinstalling the taillight assembly. It's raining, which is perfect. I will observe to see if water will get back in this taillight. I don't expect it to leak though. I just need to tighten these 2 nuts and reinstall the 3rd one here. I can now reinstall the bulbs and the 3 panels. This repair is complete, and I hope it rains hard today to put this repair to test. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one guys.